Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take the keys off your HP ENVY X360. If you need to take the keys off, for example, to clean your laptop, then first shut it down. So I'm gonna go to the start menu, then click on the power button and click on shut down. And now as it's shut down, it's pretty simple to take the keys off. You need to just pry them with something. So I'm gonna use a SIM card tray opener, but it can be anything that just doesn't destroy your laptop. So you can lightly pry it with this tool that you're using. Just go in between the key and the chassis, like that. Pry it so you can put your finger underneath, and now gently take the key off. So I'm gonna just pop it off like that. Oh my god, I hit it. Okay. And the key is off. I can clean it everywhere. Then to pop it on, just make sure it's the correct orientation. Put it on, then click on it. Make sure you do it with some force so it clicks everywhere, and now the key is on. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.